Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to make this crystal beads bracelet. The bracelet pattern is easy to make if you follow step by step my tutorial. You can personalize the bracelet using your favorite colors of the beads. This bracelet is perfect for special occasions or as a thoughtful gift for someone who loves handmade jewelry. Grab the material since I will help you to make this elegant bracelet in minutes. You need the following sizes of the beads. 6 mm beacon beads. I will name them B. 4 mm rondelle beads. I will name them RB. 11/0 seed beads. I will name them SB. Thread and needles size 12. The thread length is 38 inches. You can use Nymo beading thread size D or Wildfire 0.15 mm. Also, you need 2 clasps of your choice. Let's get started. Add the clasp on the needle and go down on the thread with it, leaving 1 inch of the end thread. Pick up 1 SB. Make 3 knots. Go with needle through the SB. Go through the clasp. Again, go through the SB. Pick up 3 SBs on the needle. Go with needle through the SB. Go through the next SB. Go through the top SB. Cut off the end thread. Pick up 3 SBs. Pick up 1 BB. Pick up 1 RB. Pick up 1 SB. Pick up 1 RB. Go with needle through the top SB. Go with needle through the next 3 SBs. Go through the B-cone bead. Pick up 4 SBs. Pick up 1 RB. Pick up 1 SB. Pick up 1 RB. Go with needle through the B-cone bead. Go with needle through the all 4 seed beads. Pick up 3 seed beads. Pick up 1 BB. Pick up 1 RB. Pick up 1 SB. Pick up 1 RB. Go with needle through the last SB from the 4 SBs. Go with needle through the next 3 SBs. Go through the beacon bead. L will go faster because you know now the pattern. Continue adding beads as I shown until you reach the desired length of the bracelet. My bracelet length is 6.5 inches without clasps. To make the bracelet, I used 42 SBs and 10 BBs. Add the last SBs. Pick up 3 SBs on the needle. Go with needle through the last SB from the 4 SBs. Go through the next SB. Go through the top SB. Add the clasp. Go through the top SB. Go through the clasp. Go again through the top SB. Go through the next SB. Get 2 knots. Go through the top SB. Go through the next SB. Again, get 2 knots. Cut off the thread. Thanks for watching and have fun beading.